I want to show you a smart way of making money with altcoins. As you can see right here, BRISE token is up by 1.72% as at the time of making this video, but that's not our focus. As you can see, the chart is looking very juicy right there. When you come down to this place where it says BitGet markets, right, you can see the various exchanges where we can sell the BitGet token and the prices, right? So on KuCoin, it is selling for this price, and on Get.io is selling for this price. On PancakeSwaps, on this one, PancakeSwap V2, on Bitmart exchange, you can see the prices. Now, this is what I want you to pay attention to. You can see right here that this price and this price right here and this price right here and this price right here are almost the same thing, right? And there's also another difference when you compare to the price on the Bitmart exchange. So basically, if you can buy here, for example, on the Bitmart exchange where the price is small, and then you go over to, for example, the KuCoin exchange and sell over there, you're gonna be making some profit. Okay, so this is what we call crypto arbitrage, right? You buy from a platform where the price is small and then you sell where the price is higher, right? Now you might say, well, the difference in price is not much. So that's why you need to keep watching this video, because I want to show you an altcoin I just spotted that pretty much has a significant price difference that can make you money. And I'm also going to show you how to do this. Okay, so you don't want to jump into this without knowing the full details. Okay, so the coin in question is trading.There, right? As a time of filming, is down by 20%. There have been some conspiracy theories linking this coin to Ryoshi, the brain behind the Shiba Inu coin, and a lot of people believe that this coin is going to moon just like the Shiba Inu coin started very simple and mooned and turned a lot of people into overnight billionaires. Okay, it's still a conspiracy, right? If you want to actually know more about this coin, I've got a video where I researched this token a bit further, right? If you want to see that video, it's going to be linked in the description, but make sure that any decision you're taking with regards to whether you're going to buy or not is dependent on your personal research. Okay, so the next thing you would want to do is to scroll down. Okay, this is always where you want to come to. You come down to this place where it says trading.There markets, right? Irrespective of the altcoin you are using, okay, you want to come to where it says the name of that altcoin and then markets. Okay, so this is where you want to see the exchanges, whether centralized or decentralized exchanges, where you can buy and sell the coin in question. So if we come here, we can see that there is a significant difference on the price of the Suka token on the Uniswap V2 exchange and on the Uniswap V3 exchange. Okay, so if we pull out our calculator here to know how much we can actually make doing this, so right here on our calculator, if you've got $100 and then you divide it by the price, it is trading on Uniswap V2, and that's 0.01649, right? So you're gonna get this number of tokens. Okay, so now multiply this by the price it is selling, 0.02746. So as you can see right here, with $100 you'll be making about $166. That's an extra $66 gain for just the first trade, right? And then let's say we factor in the gas fees. Okay, so at the end of the day, for just one transaction that is not even going to take you more than a minute to do, you'd be making about $60. Okay, so this is what we call crypto arbitrage. Now, don't skip this video, because I want to show you one more thing you need to pay attention to. Okay, because you could just jump right into this and then you buy a token that you cannot sell. Okay, you just be sitting there with a bag of useless coins that you cannot sell, right? So you want to do one more investigative research before you start throwing your money into coins that you just seen on the internet. Okay, so the next thing you want to do is to come right here to where it says contracts. So you're going to go to this website, Token Sniper. This is where you want to do a bit of research to be sure you can sell the token. Okay, so it doesn't have to be Suka token. I'm using Suka as an example, right? You paste the contract address. Okay, it is going to show you some stuff about the coin. As you can see, this Suka has got a 97% score rating. Okay, so there are three things you want to pay attention to. Okay, you come here, you can see where it says token is sellable. So you want to make sure that the token is sellable, that is not a honey pot. Okay, if it is not sellable, if you go ahead, you are going to buy something you can sell. So you want to make sure this is right here. Okay, so the next thing is to make sure that the buy fee is less than 5%. So this is very important, okay, to be sure that you're not going to be spending a lot of money buying the token in question. Okay, so it usually has to be less than 5%, okay, before you make this trade. Okay, but if it is a bit above 5%, maybe 6%, you might want to try it, but that means you might not be making a lot of profit. Okay, and the next thing is to make sure that the sell fee is also less than 5%. So basically, if you can get the same figures here, okay, less than 5%, or maybe a bit above 5%, maybe 6%, or anything above 10 is not good. Okay, so make sure the fee is on the low side. If these three conditions are met, then you might want to go ahead to make the transaction. So the next thing you would want to do is to go to Uniswap version 2 to buy this token, and once you've gotten it, you would sell immediately. You're not buying to keep. Okay, in this method you don't buy to keep it. Okay, you're not holding, you buy, you sell almost immediately, because you're dealing with an altcoin. Okay, there is always high volatility. Now, if you're gonna see the link to Uniswap version 2 for you to buy, and the link for Uniswap version 3, they're all there in the description. Okay, so once you are on Uniswap version 2, it's gonna look like this. So right here is gonna ask you to connect your wallet. So you're gonna click on that symbol right there. So it displays the various ways you can connect your wallet. Okay, as you can see here, you can connect your MetaMask wallet. Okay, so all you have to do is to connect your MetaMask wallet, and you'll be able to carry out this transaction. Okay, MetaMask wallet is a wallet you can use to buy crypto. Okay, so on your MetaMask wallet, you need to make sure you've got some Ethereum there for this transaction to go on, right? So you can do this on your laptop, you can also do it on your mobile device. Okay, I've got a video linked in the description showing you how you can actually use MetaMask on your mobile device. Okay, I showed how to install it to a mobile browser. Okay, so once you go through that process and you understand how to install it to a mobile browser, and then when it says install MetaMask here, if you click it, the connection would work. Okay, but please do note, for security reasons, when you've got any wallet, it's not just MetaMask, any wallet extension on a browser, whether on your laptop, on your mobile device, okay, make sure you are very careful connecting it to websites. Okay, because if you connect to the wrong website, that means your MetaMask wallet could be compromised and you might lose all the assets in your wallet. So once it is connected, you would just select the Suka token, right? So right here, this is where you would have to paste the contract address of the Suka token. So you have it pasted. So you can see right here. So it pops up right here. So what you would have to do is to click the import button, and then it shows you this. You're going to click on the import, and then you're gonna see it right here immediately. So you're gonna key in the amount of your Ethereum. Make sure you have Ethereum in your wallet. So let's say we want to use 0.06 Ethereum to do this, which is approximately $100, right? So that means you're gonna be getting this amount of Suka tokens, right? All you would have to do right from here is to click the connect wallet button. As I said earlier, you need to connect your wallet, and then you have to follow the on-screen instructions here and go ahead with the swap. And once the transaction is confirmed on the Ethereum blockchain, the transaction would go through and you would have this in your wallet, right? So if you want to see where it is, it would be in your MetaMask wallet. So the next thing you would have to do is to go ahead and sell almost immediately. Okay, so you would use the link in the description to go to the Uniswap version 3 exchange, right? So so that's where you would have to sell immediately, and then once you sell, okay, you would see that you would be in profit. Okay, so please note, this is not financial advice. This is how I would do this if I want to make some money doing crypto arbitrage. Okay, so this is Briggs LBs, and is your guy Ken signing out.